Good morning, welcome back to Malta Archery. Today we talk about a little older bow, but it happens on request because many people ask me. I never reviewed the newer version of the Kaiyuan from Alibow, only the first version, the long one with 35-inch draw, and I directly forgot to bring the 35-inch draw. Kaiyuan II. There are a few informations you should have. First of all, you can have this bow. You always get a sleeve, of course. You can have this bow as a horsebow version with a shorter draw and as a takedown version, which would be then a little longer than this one. But this is now the new one, Kaiyuan II. And first of all, thank you very much, Zach, for giving it to me so I can do a review. One of our regular students here. He shoots this bow since a while, so you will see a few scratches and a few dents. This is the new one. This is the Kaiyuan I reviewed. See, this is a way longer thing. And this one did 35-inch max draw. This one does 33 inches. Some were disappointed that they don't build the Kaiyuan in 35 anymore, but I think Alibow gets you covered with bows that have 35-inch draw. The design with the special knocks, I will show you later for what they are, to pick up arrows from the floor, is around the 15th century in Middle Asia, Central Asia. This design they developed or whatever. String length is 1.26 m. Unstrung is the bow 122. Has a max draw of 33, and as I said, the horsebow has a 31. And the draw weight is from 20 to 50 pounds. And the takedown version is a little longer than this one, but it's limited to 40 pounds. So you can't have a 50-pound takedown bow. And price $300 free shipping. 33 inches is always just a nice draw length for when you start thumb release and you still don't know where you want to go. When you get the Kaiyuan, you're covered from 28 inches to 33, which makes sense. And it's a pretty bow, design-wise, and I guess performance-wise too. So we have 55 inches from nock to nock and a draw length of 33, which gives you a F value of here. Looks nice, has a slight flex in the handle, then long, nice curvy sears. I like the design very much. The rest you can have, of course, this bow in different options. This is this dark wood, I forgot the name. You can have it in clear, in black, in cinnabar red, in blue, but you check on the website, you have really various options to get this bow, but this color combination looks quite good. Sears here a little massive, but because of this long, I will show you later. So, but now first let's string this pretty bow. How easy it is to string. At least a bow I can handle, not like last time. So, ui, zack. Even with this long sears, easy to string. Has 33 pounds at 28 and 40, I can't read that, 9 maybe or something now, 42. We will see at 33. So this is the bow strung, looks really good. This is how a bow should look like. Nice curve, goes here a little forward. Handle as we know it from Alibow, just right. Leather covered, ray skin arrow pass. The leather thingy here, if you like it, it's there. If you don't like it, it's there. Handle feels good, you have a nice control. It's medium wiggly. And in this direction, the bow is quite stiff, so you have nothing to fear. It's a good beginner's bow, I guess. And even if you already know what you're doing, this is still a nice bow. Draw experience. Nice. Look at this. Here you start feeling it. So 28 is nice, 9, 30, 31, 32. Then it gets a little tough. So at the end, after 32, it gets a little tough. Let's see, this arrow is 32 inches. My nice, I forgot the name again. Sungur means the name of a falcon in Turkey. Sungur. These are really awesome arrows from Mamluk archery. So if you look for really nice, and they are lightweight, they have a good spine and they fly good. So let's see, 32 inches would be there, and then it gets stiff. So after 32, after 32 it gets stiff. So max draw 33. Consider 31 your regular draw length for this bow, maximum 32. So I would always personally suggest never max out always the full draw length of your bow. It's like when you buy a car, you don't always want to go in full speed. It stresses the car more, and this one stresses the bow when you always go full draw. But 32 is just fine. Then it stacks a little, but it's still fine. Let's shoot it. First question, of course, as usual, could you shoot your horsey style, I might do a video that this was not the most preferred way to shoot in ancient times. Works for you, it's fine. It doesn't work for me, because it makes no sense. But works, yeah, you can shoot nice. 3 fingers, no problem whatsoever. Why should it be a problem? So, the other way around. Ooh, I got stuck with the knock in my pocket. Very good. Look how it lines up. You see, you hold it and the arrows line up here. Really nice. Stretch out like, look at this. Makes way more sense. Control is there. Nice one. So, but this is not why we are here. I mean, of course, that's why we are here. Let's see what it does. They are 400 grain. The bow is supposed to have 37 at 28, so at 32, most probably a little beyond 40. So we should be roughly in 10 grain or a little less. And the draw is a really nice, look at this. Nice one. So back there, nice, 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 nice. And then here it gets a little tough, but it still does the job. It's a nice bow. Look at this. And instantly a group. This bow works. Nice. So I have here 34 inches. I've drawn a little longer, but it doesn't feel good anymore. But still goes there. Yeah, but it stacks back there. So shoot 32 inches with this one. And then it's nice. Then this bow feels just fine. 28, 33.9, so 34 pounds. 32 by 44. And it doesn't want to stay straight, so at 33 we have 46.4. 28, nice curves, but of course you're already there. So at 28 inches you have already 60-degree string angle. That's why good for shorter draws when you draw 28, 29 for horseback or something, quite efficient. But this would be 32, and then you see already quite a bend, but still works. The limbs are still a little going outwards, so it's fine. Nice curves. I like this bow. So, shall we shoot more? Good. 34 at 28, and I shoot 320 grain. 165. 154, 163, 155, 163. So now we draw 32 inches, and at 32 the bow had 44 pounds, and these arrows are plus minus 400 grain. Makes so much more fun to shoot this bow in this length. 165, 167, 100, oh 14, I don't think so. We do it again. 169, 174, now we're talking. 168. So this is roughly what you get with these 400 grain arrows. And now I shoot these ones. They are 500 grains, so a little too heavy. They are more than 10 grains, so I guess this 1 inch more draw doesn't do a lot then with them. No, 157, 154. Yeah, you see every inch counts. With these 32 inch arrows, just fine. 320 grain at 29 inches, 173, 174. This arrow disappeared in the haystack. 169, 175. So roughly you have an idea what this bow is doing. Short arrows at 20 meters. You see what it's doing there. Arrow pass is not too wide, so nice one. Yeah, you get used to it. 2 or 3 shots and you have it 30 meters. Yeah, works. And apply all the techniques you learn. Side cutter doesn't work for me, just saying. Ooh, I was a little low. Now I shoot these 3. The heavy ones I don't shoot anymore, makes no sense. 400 grain is just fine. I'll get this wobbly, it was me, 30 meters. Yeah, you get there. Shoots really nice. In the group. Cool. Nice bow. Nice bow. This bow makes your life easy. When you're a beginner, this bow, bomba. $20 meters, a breeze. Apply your techniques. String twist cutter, arrow flies way more straight, way better. This bow does everything you ask for. When you shoot only 28 inches Mediterranean, kicks the arrows nice away. You can use lightweight arrows that you're roughly under 10 grain. So I think 9, 8 grain, something like this is fine for this bow. I didn't feel a lot of vibration. It's there for 3-4 seconds. The handle bends a little, but you don't feel it, so there is no handshock. A little maybe, you know, when you have 2 lightweight arrows as usual, but nothing fancy. Really well made, very well balanced. This bow is nice, so I said for a beginner who wants to get into long draw, pretty good option. $300, free shipping. Draws nice, so 28 is nice, 9, 30, 31, 32. And then after 32, you see the curve going up. But 32 is fine. You could do 33, but shoot 31, 32 inches, then this bow is really awesome. And as you saw with these 400 grain arrows, just fine for this bow. So they are maybe 9 grain or something. Nice. Here in this direction, it's a little wobbly, but in this direction, not at all. So this is a stiff piece. You don't have to worry. This thing is straight after shooting, unlike the way more expensive horn bows. Didn't say anything against horn bows. Nice bow, brace side. I don't know, look, it's roughly 7 inches or so. I put the measuring tape away, but you see what the brace side is. And for the rest, very well done. They look very good. And this arrow picking up thingy, huh? Shall we do it quickly? Okay. So, and why now this knock, this specific knock here? Because you can, from horseback, go down. When you can do it, of course. I can't. Maybe I can. And you can pick up an arrow, look. You can pick up, yeah, okay. Wait a sec, like this, huh? Yeah, kind of, almost. Maybe the other way around is easier, huh? Like this. I really never, look at this. This way it's almost done. So look, you go with the outside down, you pick it up, then you need to find kind of the balancing point, I guess, like this. Look at this. Then you can pick up an arrow from the ground. You saw that? I hope you saw that. I hope the camera picked it up. See? Dang. Oh, that one disappeared. Maybe they had thicker arrows. Look. And you can pick up your arrows. So now you know why they have these knocks, because you can pick up an arrow from your horse. You don't have to go down from your horse. And now again, that's why application on, they picked up arrows, random arrows from the floor, and they were shooting with them. So the spine, the length and the weight, they had to compensate, and of course they did it with their shooting technique. Of course, when you shoot 3 fingers, Mediterranean, spine and everything needs to match, is a way to shoot, obviously. But in a battlefield, you know, you have different arrows, different spines, you need to pick them up and you need to shoot them back to your enemy. Then when you have a problem, you can't shoot them because the spine is now whatever, too high or too low, or... Huh? You get the point. That's why katra, ring twist, and then you get every arrow in a straight flight. This is how you do it in warfare as a martial art, which is still, archery is a martial art for me and not a sport. That's all from me today. It's a beautiful bow, it's just the right length, is forgiving, you can shoot directly groups with it. Draw experience is nice, handshock not there with these 9-grain arrows. Pretty bow. Thank you again, Zach, for giving the bow to me that I can do this review. As a takedown version, I guess it's just nice because this bow is a little longer then. And you have a takedown version where you put the handle up, but I showed this in a Turkish takedown, how this one looks like. It's very well made by Alibow. That's all I have to say for today. I thank you very much for watching, and as usual, catch you in the next one.